Ready for a new beginning? It's time for a change. With a confident smile and a heart full of hope, let's set to embark on a transformative journey. Once a marketing professional, now eager to secure a future in the booming field of cybersecurity, Mike spent years crafting marketing strategies, but he felt something was missing. The allure of the digital frontier called to him. With the digital world expanding at an unprecedented rate, the need for cybersecurity experts has never been greater. Mike sees this as an opportunity to pivot his career and make a significant impact. Mike knows it's time for a change, but where to start? The vastness of the cybersecurity field can be daunting, but Mike is determined to find his way. That's when he finds Skilluppoint's Cybersecurity for Beginners course. The comprehensive curriculum promises to equip him with the foundational knowledge he needs. The perfect launchpad for his career pivot. Mike feels a surge of excitement as he reads through the course details. Mike signs up, eager to dive into the world of cybersecurity. The enrollment process is seamless, and he feels a sense of accomplishment as he completes it. Thrilled at the prospect of learning from seasoned experts through interactive, easy-to-follow modules. Each module is designed to build his skills step by step. Cybersecurity.com and enroll today. Take the first step towards a rewarding career in cybersecurity. Your future in cybersecurity starts now. Embrace the challenge and transform your career with Skilluppoint.